future trading moguls, welcome back to Trading with Susie, where we take the wild world of day trading and make it a little less wild and a lot more fun. Today we're going to answer the question, is it really possible to turn $25,000 into $100,000 in just 1 month? Yes, you heard me right. So buckle up and let's get ready to trade our way to the moon, or at least a nice vacation. And let's face it, making $100,000 in just 1 month sounds a bit as likely as winning the lottery twice in a row, but with the right strategies and a sprinkle of trading magic, it's completely doable. So that's what we're going to do today in this video, breaking down exactly how you can turn $25,000 into 100 grand in 1 month using a low-risk day trading strategies that my group of day traders use every day. Ready to make some serious cash? Let's dive in. Okay, tip number 1, set clear goals and a solid plan before you start dreaming of private islands and luxury yachts. You need to plan. Think of it like trying to bake a cake. You just don't throw flour and eggs in a bowl and hope for the best. No, you need a recipe. And similarly, you need to start by setting clear goals. How much do you need to make each week to hit that $100,000 target? With $25,000, you're aiming for a $5,000 daily goal. Easy peasy, right? Imagine you're starting with $25,000. Your goal is to make $5,000 a day. You spot a stock with a solid breakout pattern like we had today with PLCE at 9:58 a.m. at $8.38. So you decided to buy in with a tight stop loss of $8.28, which is the previous target line. Why? Because target lines are resistance, and previous resistance becomes new support. So that means our stop loss line, and that gives us a clear exit strategy if the trade fails. Also, because we use smart targets, we know in advance where our next reactionary level is going to be. So that gives us our clearly defined target of $10.15. If this stock sets up, you're looking at a $5,279 gain. Boom, your daily goal in one single trade. Repeat this process every day and keep those gains rolling in, and you're on your way to that $100,000 in just 1 month. Tip number 2, use high-frequency trading strategies. High-frequency trading sounds fancy, right? But basically trading a lot of small gains throughout the day. Think of it like picking up pennies off the street. Sure, they're small, but if you pick up enough, they add up to a decent amount. Apply this to day trading by looking for small, frequent trades with tight stop losses and quick gains. So we're talking about scalping here. You find a stock that's moving in a predictable pattern throughout the day. You make multiple trades, buying on slight pullbacks and selling on minor rallies. Each trade nets you a few $100s, but by the end of the day, those small gains have stacked up to a few $1,000s. It's like turning small victories into a giant win. Tip number 3, embrace the momentum trades. Momentum trading is like hopping on a speeding train just as it's leaving the station. You're hunting for those stocks that are soaring with high volume and all the buzz. Indicators like the trusty EMAs and the mighty Trend Explorer are like your stock market GPS. They help you navigate the ups and downs so that you can jump in before everyone else does. But don't get too comfy, because when the trend flips, it's time to make a quick exit. And if you see a breakout from a key resistance level, well, go big. That's your golden ticket to ride the momentum wave. Let's say ASST is on your watch list. The signal is an arrow in the lower algo here. When it alerts us, it rings like a telephone. This first signal hit right at the support level, so it's a no-brainer to jump in at $2.35 with a good share size and let it run to our next target of $3.10. That trades us $7,822 in profit in about 18 minutes. Tip number 4, master the art of scalping. Scalping is like playing a high-stakes game of whack-a-mole. You're constantly in and out of trades looking for small price movements and quick profits. This requires sharp focus and quick decision-making, but it can be incredibly rewarding if done right. August 27th, 2024, you spot a stock that's making rapid, small movements throughout the day. You enter and exit trades within minutes, each time catching a small profit. If you manage to scalp $200 to $500 per trade and do this multiple times a day, those gains can add up quickly. Just keep your eyes peeled and your reflexes sharp, because in the world of scalping, there's no time for slowpokes. Tip number 5, trade pre-market and after hours. Take advantage of pre-market and after-hours trading to enter or exit positions before the majority of traders react to the news. Stocks often move significantly during these periods of time due to news stories or announcements, earnings releases, or major geopolitical events. However, liquidity is lower during these time periods, so this requires advanced timing and market awareness. Imagine you're watching MGOL on August 9th, 2024, because it gapped up to over 50% after the market closed the night before. You jump into that at 5 a.m. right at support at $4.60 per share because our trend algo gave us a strong buy alert. You stayed with the trade for an hour and a half during pre-market and sold at 6:30 a.m. for an easy profit of $7,281. While the majority of traders were waiting for the opening bell to ring, you secured your position and your profits at a lower price, taking advantage of the initial upward movement. And you exit with a hefty profit before most traders even have their coffee poured. Timing is everything here, but nailing it means staying ahead of the crowd. Tip number 6. Keep an eye on the market and news and trends. Staying updated on market news is like keeping an ear out for the latest gossip. It helps you stay ahead of the curve. Major news events and economic reports can significantly impact stock prices, so make sure that you're in the know. Imagine you're in line to go see a concert and the line is long, but thanks to your VIP pass, you waltz right up to the front, bypassing the entire crowd. That's exactly what having our live news broadcast does for your day trading. While everyone else is stuck waiting for headlines to hit, you've already heard the breaking news and are making moves. It's like getting the best seat at the concert before anyone else even knows the doors are open. Stay ahead of the crowd and trade like a VIP. Tip number 7. Maintain discipline and avoid overtrading. Discipline is like having a secret weapon. It helps you stick to your plan and avoid making impulsive trades based on emotions. Overtrading can lead to losses faster than you can say, oops. You've had a fantastic week with consistent gains, but then you start feeling invincible and decide to make a bunch of trades that don't fit your plan. Suddenly you're back to square one with losses piling up. Stick to your plan, stick to your strategy, and avoid chasing after every opportunity. And remember that trading isn't a sprint, it's a marathon. All right, traders, now you've got the blueprint for turning $25,000 into $100,000 in just 1 month. But if you're craving more insights, tips, and a little extra help to supercharge your trading game, don't miss out on my free web classes. I'm giving away tons of valuable information that can help you hit those big goals. Sign up now at MomentumStockTraders.com and join the fun. Thanks for hanging out with me today, everyone. Remember, in the wild world of day trading, it's all about strategy, discipline, and a bit of humor. Keep those trades smart, stay focused, and may your trading journey be as profitable as it is entertaining. Until next time, happy trading, and we'll see you in the next video.